The Book of Micah was written by the prophet Micah of Moresheth, a small town in the southern kingdom of Judah. His name means, "Who is like Yahweh?" The book was written sometime between 740 and 686 BCE, during the 8th century BCE. It is a prophetic message combining judgment, warning, and hope. Judgment on Israel and Judah. Micah warns of coming destruction for Samaria, capital of the northern kingdom, and Jerusalem, capital of Judah. He condemns idolatry, corrupt leaders, false prophets, and greedy landowners who oppress the poor. Future hope and restoration. A vision of the last days. Nations will come to worship God in peace. A messianic prophecy. Micah 5 verse 2. A ruler will come from Bethlehem, bringing peace and shepherding Israel. God will rescue a faithful remnant of his people. God's lawsuit against Israel. God presents a legal case against his people, reminding them of his faithfulness. The people ask what God requires, and Micah answers with the famous verse. He has shown you, O man, what is good, to act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. Micah 6 verse 8. Lament and final hope. Micah laments the moral decay of society but expresses personal faith and hope in God's justice and mercy. The book ends with a declaration of God's forgiveness and faithfulness to his covenant. Themes: justice and righteousness. God demands justice, not just religious rituals. Society is judged for corruption, oppression, and dishonesty. Judgment and restoration. God will judge sin but will also restore his people and establish peace. The Messiah. A prophecy about a ruler from Bethlehem points to the coming of a messianic king who brings justice and peace. Covenant faithfulness. God remains faithful to his promises, even when his people fail him. True worship. True worship is about living ethically and humbly, not just offering sacrifices. The Book of Micah is a powerful mix of warning and hope. It speaks to both individual behavior and national injustice, calling people back to a life of integrity, compassion, and faithfulness. It ends on a note of hope, affirming that God's mercy triumphs over judgment and that a righteous ruler will one day bring lasting peace.